Hello, my name is Matt, a Senior Solutions Consultant at Quovim C3, an Aspect Software authorized channel partner. And this is our Aspect Software Troubleshooting Tip number 1. The most common case we receive with Aspect Software is with an application called Real-Time Adherence, or RTA for short. If there's a network glitch, an update on the ACD, or RTA simply stops tracking your agent status, in most cases this can be resolved by restarting a service called RTA Listen. Here's an example of what your RTA application will look like. As you see, agents are in hung state, or in other examples, agents logged in will not be tracked at all. To restart the service, you have to have admin access to the main application server. So you might have to contact your Aspect administrator. To navigate, go to Search Windows and type in Services. Once you find a service, you'll want to right-click it and restart it. You'll want to wait about 10 minutes for things to come back up. To learn more, if you have your own questions to be answered, or any consulting needs, not only with Aspect software, with any workforce management software, or workforce management in general, feel free to reach us at wfm@quovimc3.com.